What brings me here today is I've got the CYBERTAKE S2 Pro portable camping air conditioner. But don't leave just yet. I have figured out something to do with it that I haven't seen anybody else do yet. So it's gonna be pretty interesting. And it's worked out really great for us. So let's take it out of the bag, let you get a look at it. I'm telling you, if you look at purchasing this portable air conditioner, do yourself a favor and get the bag that it comes with. It's an option. They sent the bag with the air conditioner to us. This thing is really, really quality built. I mean, I was pretty shocked when I opened it up. So let's take it out of the bag here. Now, isn't that good looking? That is a nice, nice air conditioner. But that's not all it is. It's also a heater. It's a 6100 BTU air conditioner and a 5100 BTU heater. So you know fall's coming and people are gonna be doing some cold weather camping. That heater will come in clutch. I'm telling you, just first off looking at it, man, the construction of it, just look at that. It is just so well built. I don't know what ABS plastic grade this is, but they really did their homework in designing this thing. Really nice grab handle with rubberized coating underneath it for your grip. Looking at the front of it, you can direct your heat or air, whichever way. And this is a little light, and I'll show you here in a minute. It'll light up red for heat or blue when the AC is on. And there's your condenser inside there. Looking at the other side of it, same as the previous side. It's really nice, real rugged. And on the very bottom of it, you're gonna have some rubber feet right here. These plugs right here are for your drain. And I'll show you that here in a minute as well. And on the back of it, you're gonna have your connection right here for your, it's an XT90 port to connect your power brick in. And these covers come off. That's for your hoses to attach. All right, and this is where the exhaust will come out on this side. Attaches real easy. There's two openings down there. These two will go into two openings and it just snaps in place. All right, this is the little bag that the power brick comes in. Again, I can't stress enough the material this is made out of. It's insulated inside. Really nice bag. Put that to the side. This is gonna be your power brick. It's gonna take your AC power and convert it over to 48 volt to run the air conditioner. And it's got the XT90 on the side. And in this bag, you're gonna have, this is your other hose attachment that goes in the front. And just like the back, it's gonna go into two little slots right there. Gonna snap in, really easy. Here's your hoses. Now it's just not some cheap hoses that you see on other portable air conditioners. This is nice hard plastic. You can put it whichever way you want. Collapses back. You're gonna have these rings. They just screw onto the hose. They go in like that, snap, and there you go. You can put the air coming out or the heat coming out. You can direct it whatever way you want. They're coming out of the AC, you can just direct it whatever way you want. And here's your one for the bottom here. And there's your rings. Here's an example of putting a ring on. See, it's kind of threaded right here. You'll just slide that ring on and go to thread it, and it'll grab. There's your ring. Just like the top, the bottom will go in, turn, and lock. And you can pull that out and go whichever way you want. All right, there's different ways you can run this thing. You can put your hoses on like right here, snap them in. You can have the unit left outside, and these going into your tent or whatever you're gonna be air conditioning or heating will go in there. Or you can pull it off, take your hoses off. They can go on the back side. You can put your unit inside, have these on the back with the hoses running outside and keeping your unit inside. All right, that's a little bit of the unit. Let me show you some of the other things it does come with. Here's the drain hose I was speaking of earlier. Either side, you put it right there, slide it right into here, and you let that hang off and that'll drain the condensation. Some of this stuff is optional equipment. You will get when you buy it, you'll get the hoses, the front and back attachments, and the drain hose. That consists of the air conditioner. Optional, you can get the remote control for it, which I really like the remote control. Remote control is magnetic. You can put it on the truck, on the Jeep, on the van, whatever you stand in, put it on the wall, and I'll show you the remote here in a second. And like I said, the bags are optional. You can purchase the bag separately, which I highly recommend because it's really, really, really high quality bags.